Grand Coulee Dam was an engineering marvel when it was created from 1933 to March of 1941. Located by Grand Coulee in the central portion of the state of Washington, the dam is the largest electric power producing facility in the United States. Back when it was built, the dam cost $63 million to make, but today that would cost us $178 million. It was initially built to help with the irrigation of local farms, but quickly changed to an energy producing facility. The dam, when built, only contained 2 power plants, but over the years 2 more were built to bring the total to 4. Today, the dam can generate up to 6,809 megawatts of power, but only outputs an annual of 2,300 megawatts.
The dam, when built in 1933, applied new technology. The workers installed a 2-mile-long conveyor belt, which was used to haul away the earth and rocks that they excavated. This proved to be much faster and more efficient than hauling materials by trucks. The conveyor was able to carry up to 52,000 cubic yards of material a day. That is equivalent to 3,500 dump trucks carrying away material once a day.
The project didn't just happen overnight. There was much argument on where to put the dam on the river or if it should be multiple dams. One of the senators at the time, Clarence Still, convinced President Roosevelt to support the dam. Roosevelt agreed as he saw potential for hydropower, irrigation, and the availability of new jobs. Roosevelt compromised this cost to the project with Dill, and construction was underway. In 1933, they proceeded to build a low dam with a tall enough foundation that it would eventually support a high dam. In 1935, the plans were updated to include the high dam.
The Grand Coulee Dam caused 10 farming communities, about 4,000 people, to relocate because of floods. The dam also flooded Native American fishing spots, villages, and burial grounds. 2,000 members of the Colville Confederated Tribes and 250 members of the Spokane Tribe were displaced by this flood. For these 2 particular groups of people, progress brought devastating cultural and economic loss.
The dam was beneficial to almost everyone else though. The surrounding area enjoys the lowest power rates because of Grand Coulee. The dam provides enough energy to power a city twice the size of Seattle. The air is also cleaner as energy is made solely through hydropower, not coal, or nuclear power, which can be very damaging to the environment.
The Grand Coulee has contributed to helping win World War II. The dam provided the energy to power the Army's nuclear facility in Hanford that made the atomic bomb. In 1948, for example, Vice President candidate Earl Warren remarked, "Probably Hitler would have beaten us to the atomic bomb development if it had not been for the hydroelectric development of the Columbia, making possible the Big Hanford project which brought forth the bomb."
The dam, in the end, was a success, bringing safe energy to the Pacific Northwest. There were a few that didn't benefit from this great project. The Grand Coulee Dam is still considered one of the engineering marvels of the last 100 years.